Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be bringing to you a winter tour of Luxe Studio. I have received several requests for you guys asking and inquiring about the building and how everything was going, and I have not taken the opportunity to update you guys since the grand opening, and so I wanted to take this opportunity to kind of give you guys an update and a tour on the studio and exactly what it looks like when it's decorated and designed for an event. So we opened our venue for our anniversary. It was actually our 5th anniversary, and the symbol for your 5th anniversary is wood. And when I saw this building and the amazing wood floors that you see here, I knew that it was the perfect place for us, and I knew that it would be our perfect gift for our anniversary. And I will be sure to share the video from our grand opening down in the description box below so that you guys can see it if you have not seen that video and you would like to take the opportunity to look at it. Now, this particular event was a Winter Wonderland themed party that we hosted at the studio. The lighting that you see, it looks a little bit dark in some places, and in some places it will look light, but that's because of the uplighting. And I will be sure to share a photo of actually what the event looks like with the uplighting, because I could not capture it in all of its glory and splendor with my camera. I am still learning to film with uplighting with my camera, so you guys bear with me as I get through that learning curve. But it turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm so thankful that Keelan Walker over at Keelan Walker Photography got to take and capture these beautiful images that I'll be sharing with you throughout this video. And so here is a panoramic view of the room, and then here is what the room looks like with the uplighting. I absolutely love it. It was blue with the snowflakes. The snowflakes were all around the room. We had a dance floor with the snowflakes, and then you can see kind of on this wrinkled tablecloth that we later steamed, the little snowflake there, and the uplighting, the blue uplighting just looks so fabulous, and it was captured so well. Like the light caught the centerpieces, all of the bling centerpieces so well. Now here is the food table. A lot of the events that we hosted at the studio were more of a mix and mingle type. They wanted the pub tables and just kind of some chairs along the wall, and so we did just that. We put our chairs along the wall, we covered them in white chair covers and some bling chair sashes. And a lot of you guys inquire about where we get a lot of our inventory and how we got started in event planning, and I'm not going to answer that in this video because a ton of you guys have asked. But what I am going to do is that I am launching a course on how I got started in event planning, and I'm going to share all of my tips, tricks, and secrets with you guys, and also offer some one-on-one coaching. If you're interested in that, be sure to leave your email down below. We're going to shoot for launching that February the 17th. So if you guys are interested, be sure to hop on board. I am not going to hold anything back, and I promise you that it is going to be well worth your investment. So if you're interested and you're an event planner, or you're interested into getting into event planning or any type of business, be sure to leave your email down below, and I will get back with you guys on more information. I promise you it will not be a waste of your time. Now in the back you will see kind of the snowflakes going around. You may have seen that. You can see it on the bathroom door as well. And thank you so much, Alicia, for the gorgeous trash can that you sent me as a gift for the studio. Oh my goodness, I forgot to get footage of it, but it is perfect, and it's been so great for all of the events because I don't have to worry about the trash running over during the event, and it's so beautiful and so functional, and I really appreciate it. Now you guys saw that the uplighting was blue, and most of the colors was just like a wintry white and bling, but I did add a little pop of pink. You guys know I have to have that pop of color, and so I thought that it made it feel very wintry and very cozy for all of the attendees. And then here is a photo booth area. This chopa was designed by my friend Sharonda. She did such an amazing job on it, and if you guys are interested in learning how to do a chopa, maybe we can get her to come in and do a guest class for us and teach you guys how to do this chopa and draping and all of those great things. So I am so excited about 2018 and everything that it is going to offer. It's going to be a new beginning, and we're going to begin again. It's time for you to go out and pursue those dreams and things that have been lying dormant on the inside of you. So here again is a panoramic view of the studio. I'm still prepping for another event actually, so here are the snowflakes on the wall. Oh my goodness, you guys, it was so beautiful, and I just kind of wanted to get the footage of the room in its moment, in its glory, so that you guys can kind of get some idea of what the building looks like as it's being transformed, what the studio looks like as it's being transformed for each event. We have also had the opportunity to host several Sweet 16 parties. I absolutely love our storefront window, and it was an Egyptian themed party. All of the treats that I'll be sharing with you in this video as well were created by Rachel at Hot Mama's Bakery. You guys know she does a phenomenal job. The theme for this party was so unique, and we had such a great time putting it together. We also did a photo booth area for the birthday girl, and we did it in the Tiffany blue, the golds, the whites. It was just absolutely perfect for a Sweet 16 party. We also hosted an Ice Princess themed Sweet 16 party. We did it in the Tiffany blues and whites and silvers and gold, and it turned out so phenomenal. The uplighting was amazing. Nacho does such an amazing job on our uplighting and our draping, and we had the bling, because she absolutely loved bling, so we had the bling curtains and the bling just in all of the right places, and I was able to incorporate some of the crowns that I picked up at Hobby Lobby in the after Christmas sale, so that was an amazing deal. The 16 was blinged out. It was just amazing, you guys, and I'm so thankful to be able to be blessed with such a great group of clientele that gives me the creative freedom and reign to do those things that I envision in my head. And I'm telling you, again, most of the parties that we've had this Christmas has involved just more of the pub table, so we did that for this event as well. And as always, we did a beautiful backdrop area. It's really working out well. We're getting ready to set up for weddings this season, so if you want to see how we set the studio up for weddings, be sure to leave a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed with me sharing with you a winter tour of Luxe Studio. And again, if you're interested in getting into event planning, be sure to leave your email down below, because we are going to start a special course for those who are interested in getting into event planning. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.